quiet evening, Luna the lamb sat in her favorite meadow, watching the sun gently sink behind the hills. Fireflies began to twinkle all around. Luna stretched and gave a big, cozy yawn. She found a soft patch of grass, curled up, and got ready to sleep. But just then, a tiny, glowing light bounced by her nose. Luna blinked. What was that? She stood up slowly, curious and wide-eyed. Above her, the first stars began to twinkle in the sky. The little light floated ahead as if it wanted her to follow. Luna took a few steps, then a few more. She passed her favorite nap rock, and the glowing light danced just ahead. Luna paused. Should she keep going? The light twinkled gently like it was waiting for her. Luna smiled and whispered, "Okay, I'm coming." The light floated near a tiny pond. Luna looked down. Her reflection shimmered beside it. She dipped her hoof in. The ripples sparkled. Then the light rose again, floating toward a sleepy tree. Luna trotted softly through the grass, her wool fluttering in the breeze. She climbed a small hill, and the light paused at the top. Luna sat beside it. Both were quiet. Then, the light began to rise, higher and higher, up into the sky. Luna watched closely, her eyes full of wonder. The glowing light joined the stars. It was a baby star, finding its way home. Luna lay down on the hill, her heart full of joy. A gentle breeze hummed a sleepy lullaby. She yawned and curled up tight. The stars above twinkled softly like little nightlights. And as Luna drifted into sleep, little stars began to twirl inside her dreams. They danced slowly, like fireflies in the sky. Glowing with quiet joy, she floated across the night on a soft star-shaped cloud, safe and light as a feather. A tiny star landed gently on her nose and sparkled like a giggle from the moon. Petals drifted by, soft as whispers, brushing her cheek as they danced past. Fireflies floated nearby, blinking gently, as if they were humming her a lullaby. Outside her dreams, Luna still slept peacefully, curled up on her favorite hill. Her dreams carried her across the sky, where stars smiled and clouds waved hello. Even her wool left a trail of stardust. Glowing softly behind her cloud, a tiny bell rang far away. Just once, like a gentle goodnight kiss. The stars above twinkled slowly, like they were breathing with the night. Luna curled even tighter, safe and still, dreaming sweet and slow, and the sky held her, like a soft blanket made of stars. Even the smallest light can lead to something beautiful. So whenever you feel a little lost, just look up. Your own little light might be shining too. Good night, little dreamer. We'll see you soon for another magical story from C Duo.